Hey y'all, I am Shay. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I'm Shay with the pow, 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 pow. Today was shoulders and back, so I feel like I'm kind of a little still. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. Don't forget to hit the like button. Did I say that already? I think I did. Don't forget to hype your girl up. Hopefully, I've muted all the air blowing in my face right now because it's 100 degrees in SoCal, Victor Valley, hood. It's hot, y'all. Okay? It's hot. I feel like your girl has been walking around melting slowly all day. I got a late start. It's 2 o'clock and it just smells hot outside. You know how it's so hot, it just smell hot. Walk outside, your eyes is burning. You can't even see nothing because it's so hot. So I'm gonna try to knock this out as quickly and swiftly as I can. As far as my midweek, I need 18 offers for 5. We're gonna see if we can make it happen. We did get some new offers. I'm bringing some Knox coupons out of retirement. We're gonna see if they still Knoxing. Other than that, what else? I can't think of anything else to add. With that being said, we're going to head into Walmart. I was gonna say Walmart. We're gonna head into Walmart, which is for her. See what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you know, hit the like button. Keep on watching and hype your girl out. I wonder if people be seeing me in a car, be like, "What is she doing?" I'm trying to do my thumbnail. All right, y'all. So this first deal is on the Lipton Fusions. Now this one is specifically for the peach flavor one. This one right here is priced at $118. We have a free offer for Ibotta. It's also available for Walmart Rewards as well. So you already know I'm gonna smash through all 3 Walmart apps, making all 4 of them free with Ibotta, of course, as well. All right, this deal here is on the Mi Tierra tortilla strips. Those are in the wrong spot, and I don't know where they go, but they are priced at $2.98. I'll have to pop up who I saw mention. Grabbing one price at $2.98, getting back $2.50 on Fetch Reward. $1 on Ibotta would make it a 52-cent moneymaker. Now, if you wanted to grab 3, the limit on Fetch is 3, limit on Ibotta is 1, so it would make all 3 44 cents. All right, so next up is the stem. It's on the fly trap plug thing. It's priced at $14.98. I'm gonna grab one of them. I'm getting back 5 on Ibotta, 5 on Checkout 51, and 5 on one of the sister apps. It's gonna make that a 2-cent moneymaker. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the stem 2-count refill as well, priced at $7.97. I printed off some of these $5 coupons. This coupon has reset for me twice already. So with coupons.com, always go and check. I would say check at least once a week on Sundays to see if any coupons have reset. I always save them to my computer prior to printing them because sometimes they just don't print. So I automatically save it as a PDF file. And so I have 2 sets here between Chrome and Firefox. So I'm going to use one coupon for that. It'll bring it down to $2.97. Getting back to when I bought, I'll make it 97 cents. I'm going to 3. So I'm going to go ahead and max this out and grab 3. I went ahead and grabbed the soft scrub combo again. The 4 count is priced at $3.77, and then the toilet bowl cleaner is priced at $3.43. The 2 is going to come to $7.20. I'm getting back $1 for each on Ibotta. There is a bonus if you haven't claimed that yet. And then I have $4.41 back on Big Frugal, making them 39 cents each. You guys, I just happened to look on the other side and I see some really amazing clearance prices on this Swiffer stuff. Look, they have this one right here, the extra large 16 count. Normally 10 for $2.50. They have this one here for $2.50. I'm gonna scan and see. Great value is $3.97. I'm gonna scan some of these and see if there is a Walmart reward offer for them. So we do have a Walmart offer for the Swiffer for $2, limit of one. So it would make each one only 50 cents. Now the same offer applies to this one as well as this one down here. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab one for each of my Walmart apps, making them only 50 cents each. So definitely check this little section. Also check the Swiffers because some of those are on clearance as well. Make sure you check mops and brooms because there are some clearance stuff here too. What's that? A wood tea mop. I don't know what that's for. What is that for, y'all? A tea mop. Yeah, so check this area here. Strip refill for $4. Well, normally $4.68, so it's not that big of a reduction in price. Yeah, but check this whole area right here as well. Swiffers, mops, and yeah, I want to sneeze. Also check air freshener aisle because there's a lot of stuff over here that's on clearance too. So check this area. Oh, this is not the correct one. But yeah, I do see some clearance over here as well. So check your area, see if you can find anything. What that was. These were $2.75, these sprays, which are good because we usually have Ibotta offers. I'll check and see if Ibotta works for this one right here. It looks like there is a Walmart offer for it, $3.50 back when you buy two, but it's grayed out, so I don't know if it would work. And I don't want to get it and have to return it. And so I'm gonna check the middle aisle and see if they have any displays that might have some of the clearance. I was gonna grab the Glade, but I don't see any. Priced at $197, getting back $175 on Checkout 51, and one of the sister apps would make that $1.53 moneymaker. We do have an offer on Ibotta for Airwick. It's on the warmers. It works on this one, the Advance, $2.75, get back to makes it 75 cents. It also works on this one here, priced at $1.98, get back to makes it a 2-cent moneymaker. I had to run to the car because I know I still have some Knox Airwick coupons that are $3 that I believe still works on these right here, which also works with the Ibotta offer. So I'm hoping the coupon still works. I'll pop it up. It's $3.97, $3 coupon should bring it down to 97 cents, getting back to it, make that $1.03 moneymaker, limit of 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that and see if it still works because I think it does work with these kits. So I'm gonna try 3 of these and see if that works. I don't see the offer for Walmart rewards yet. And that's just probably because it just popped up on Ibotta. Usually needs a little time before it hits Walmart rewards. And so, yeah, 75 cents. I've always wanted to try these. I know that this brand was in the news for posting incorrect nutritional information, but for 75 cents, I would try it. I thought we had an offer somewhere for David. Was it the hummingbird situation? I think that's at Target. Let me check because if it's here, I'll definitely grab a couple. And so, yes. How many of you guys are into the Built bars? I've never tried one. I want to try one, but I've never tried one. I should scan those. Maybe those are 75 cents too. All right, so really quick, a lot of skincare is on clearance. You guys probably already know that. So I was over there scanning stuff. The Neutrogena oil-free acne wash is on clearance for $4. We do have a coupon for $3.50. I low-key want to see if it'll work with Ibotta. If it doesn't, then I'll just claim it for Walmart rewards. So it's gonna make it 50 cents. They only had 3, so I went ahead and grabbed 3, making them only 50 cents each. If the coupon works with Ibotta, then it'll make it a moneymaker. And so yeah. All right, and of course we're grabbing razors again just because it's easy. Extreme price at $6.78. We have a $3 coupon on coupons.com. It is a Knox coupon, so yeah, do with that what you will. All right, it'll bring it down to $3.78. $2 back on Ibotta. Would make that $1.78, limit of 3. I'm grabbing the Skintimate again, just $6.27, $3 printable. You'll pay $3.27, get back to makes it $1.27. And again, I am using the $4 Knox coupon. And so, yeah. All right, y'all. So here is my complete haul for today. Y'all. I did not use the coupons for the stem. That was $15. So I got to go back tomorrow and hope that when Ibotta does their little reversal, it'll pop back up so I can do it again. Because if it doesn't pop back up, then I'm not going to be doing it again. And I would probably just, yeah, I just wouldn't do it again. I don't know what I was thinking, y'all. OMG. I don't know how I let that happen. See, it just goes to show, no matter how long you've been in the game, you could still trip up and fumble the ball. I fumbled the hell of a ball right there. So yeah, that got me feeling some type of way. Like, Chanel, what were you thinking? Obviously, I wasn't thinking. The Airwick coupon was $3. That's a Knox coupon. That one worked. All right, limit was 3. I maxed it out. Hopefully it resets tomorrow. It'll make knocking out that larger bonus easy for this weekend. The Razor coupon, that one is also still scanning. I think I may have mentioned it in the video. Whenever we get a Knox coupon, I know Sheck is one, so I know Airwick is one. Whenever we get coupons, those coupons, I always save them as a PDF to my computer automatically. And every single, I mean, I'll probably check coupons.com every few days. I would say always check it on Sundays for new coupons because the stem coupon reset for me 3 times on there. So just keep checking back. If there's a new one, then print it or save it as a PDF, which is what I would do. But that coupon's still working. Neutrogena coupon did not work. Clean and Clear coupon did not work. And so that kind of sucks. It would have made that deal even better. I ended up doing the Neutrogena on 2 of my Walmart apps and then Ibotta. If they had 4, I would have probably did a 4th one too for the 3rd Walmart app. I'm not even going front. I told you I like buying things in sets. I mean, I'll sell all 3 of those in one set bundle situation anyways, but degree, I did split that up into 3 transactions of 2 each so I could submit that receipt. I submitted 2 of the receipts to, I think, Easy Bucks and 1 to Inbox Dollars since I only had 1 more redemption there. And then I submitted to Checkout 51. So it made those a really, really awesome deal. I feel like last time I got it, they had restocked 6. I think they can only fit 6 in that little slot. And that's probably why. But every time I go to that store, I always check. And most often than not, they always have it, which is really awesome because for $2, and I have 2 customers that really like that deodorant. So it's like, I feel like as soon as I post it, they be trying to see who could get it first. Everything worked out great with Walmart rewards. I don't know what happened in my last video with the Axe, but, oh, I didn't mention the Axe. The Axe is $4.98 times 2, and I got back 8 for Walmart rewards. But yeah, my last video, I don't know, Walmart rewards wasn't working for the Axe. I don't know what it was. It like low-key gave it to me, then it took it back. And I was like, well, you can't be no Indian giver. Walmart rewards, if you give it to me, you gotta 10 toes down that I get to keep it, not take it back. But it worked this time, which was great. All Walmart rewards worked out great. And I told y'all with Walmart rewards, I like to keep rewards in there so I don't have to have a card on there. So I can just roll the rewards back into it. That's what we do. We just keep rolling them back into it. Because if I use them all, I'm going to have to come more out of pocket, which is what I'm not trying to do. So, oh, I found a receipt today, y'all. How many of y'all be picking up receipts when y'all find them? I will never, ever, ever pass up a receipt. Ever. This one was in the basket. Look. Clamato at the very flipping top. I got back $3 for that on, I think, Inbox Dollars. $1.25 on Ibotta for that. And then I submitted for the soda for the B of A. Where you get, I think I'll pop up the ones that you can get, but it's up to 5, 1 per receipt. And it's like cookies, cereal, what else? What else? I'll pop up the ones you can redeem for, but it's up to 5 and it's only 1 per receipt. And it goes to your PayPal, which is cool. So I'll have a link for you. Maybe I'll pin a comment with the link for B of A. And you don't have to have a B of A bank account. You just sign up. I have 2 accounts. Saving with Shay have one and I have one, you know? But anyway, so let me run through this real quick. So everything that you see here retails $135.39. I had $47 in coupons. I'm gonna count the stem as of right now. I'll pin a comment, let you know how it works out though. $88.39 out of pocket. Getting back $41.68 from Ibotta. Walmart rewards is $24.54. Easy Bucks is $10. Frisbee was $5.07. Frisbee, you just scan receipts. So I just always cash out when I hit 5. Inbox dollars is $5. Be Frugal was $4.41. Fetch Reward was $4. I did get back $1.50 for the axe as well, if I didn't mention that. And the soft scrub, I'm literally like 21 cents, I think, y'all, away from hitting that. So I should have probably did the per sale. I'll probably do it in my week for this weekend, maybe. Or maybe just grab a dial since that's the cheapest item, and it'll count for Ibotta as well. And it's also on the sister apps. That's actually what I'll probably do tomorrow. Checkout 51 is $2. So we get back a total of $96.70. It's gonna make everything you see here for you plus an $8.31 moneymaker. Not the hugest moneymaker, but nonetheless, this was an awesome haul to get the Swiffers. Y'all, that was an awesome deal, and I did not expect to find that. I mean, I feel like right now, there's like a lot of different departments that have a lot of clearance going on. So when you're there, just always peruse. Peruse different aisles you don't normally go on. Just if you're looking for this, look at that, see if and that's kind of what I was doing when I found that. I was recording another deal and I just happened to turn around and see it. Other than that, y'all, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did and made it to the end, I really, really appreciate you watching. In the comments, do you pick up receipts? Do you scan your receipts? Because when I pick up a receipt, I'm going to scan it into the Walmart app and I'm going to scan it into Fetch. How many of y'all still use Receipt Hog? I don't use Receipt Hog no more. It was way too slow for me. I was just like, look, I ain't got time for it. But yeah, let me know in the comments, do you pick up receipts? Because your girl, I always pick up receipts. I don't always get lucky, but this time, your girl got hella lucky. I should play the lotto. Anyways, listen, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, again, don't forget to smash that like button. I will see you in the next video.